How to use Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app. Here we go. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of Fantasy and then head towards this option of Transfers. Click on it. With that, you will find your formation. Now over here, you're gonna find different options as free transfers, wildcard, cost, and bank. Right now in my account, wildcard option is unavailable. You can see that. But in the case you have this option available, you can easily use wildcard. All you need to do is select the player that you want to replace. Just click on it. You'll get the option of replace. Click on it. From this page, you can select any of the player. Once you select the player, you can click on the option of next. If in my account wildcard option was available, the points would not have been deducted. But as if right now this option is not available in my account, the points will be deducted. So once this option is available, you can use wildcard. I hope now you guys are clear how to use wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.